friends, my name is Kunal Wag. I am in August batch. Today's date is 26 December. Today's my topic is life cycle hooks in Angular. A component instance has a life cycle that starts when Angular instantiates the component class and renders the component view along with its child view. The life cycle continues with a change detection as the Angular check to see when data bound properties change and updates both the views and the component instance as a needed. The life cycle ends when Angular destroy the component instance and remove its render templates from the DOM. Directive have a similar life cycle as Angular threads and updates. Destroy the instance in the course of execution. Your application can use the lifecycle hooks methods to tap into the key events in lifecycle of component or directive. To initialize a new instances, initiate the change detection when needed, respond to updates during the change detection, and clean up before the deletion of instances. What's the types of lifecycle events with responding the Angular? The respond to events in the life cycle of components or directives by implementing one or more of the lifecycle hooks. Interfaces in Angular core library, the hooks give you the opportunity to act on component or directive instances at the appropriate moment. As Angular creates or updates or destroys that instance, each interface defines the prototype for a single hook method whose name is the interface name prefix with ng. For example, the onInit, the interface has a hook method named ng-onUnit method. If you implement this method in your component or directive class, Angular calls it shortly after checking the input properties for that component or directive for the first time. Let's discuss about the lifecycle events in sequences. Next point is the lifecycle is the after your application instantiate a component directive by calling its constructor. Angular calls the hook method you have implemented at the appropriate time. And lifecycle of instances, Angular executes hook method